Welcome to SAR WIGS series. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm SAR from Uganda, that it, East Africa. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that it can notify you whenever I post a new video, guys. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Guys, we can make it with your help. I made these beautiful bob wigs with so much love. These look so nice, guys. You can order any type of wig you want. You can only find legit wigs at SAR WIGS factory only. This is color 27. I mixed it with black at the top of the wig. Guys, how do I look? Drop the comments below. Thanks for subscribing, guys. I really appreciate your support. I took these pics before I bobbed the wig. This is blunt cut. Which one is better? Subscribe. Thanks for watching, share.